Namaste children. Welcome back to 8th English lesson. Unit 2 Prose. Hobby turns into successful career. Here some questions of the pictures are given. You see, try to answer the questions given below. See first picture. What is the girl doing? Can you say what is the girl doing? Yes, she is drawing. What is man doing? Second picture. The man is cooking. Will you like doing it? Why? Yes, I think you like cooking because you are interested in cooking and you want to eat things. What is the fourth question? Do you like gardening? Why? The third picture you can see one girl is doing gardening. Do you like gardening? Yes. All of us like gardening. Why? Gardening gives us pleasure and we are getting fresh air. What are the benefits of listening to music? Can you say music can change our mood and it will give us peace of mind and pleasure? Am I correct? Yes. Okay, students. Shall we go to the lesson? What is the lesson name? Hobby turns into successful career. What is meant by hobby? Hobby means the activities done in our free time. Okay? Reading. Once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now, he not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. Let us read an essay written by Mani. See, first paragraph. Once there was a boy named Mani. What is the boy's name? Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. Where was he studying? He was studying at his school. Where was the school? In the village. He found it difficult to read and write. It is very difficult for him to read and write. His grandfather noticed it. Who noticed that? His grandfather noticed it is very difficult for Mani to read and write. So, grandfather helped him and helped him by reading bedtime stories. How did grandpa help him? He helped Mani by reading bedtime stories. Are your grandpa or grandma telling you stories? Bedtime stories. Are you listening your grandpa's stories or grandma's stories? Yes, here Mani started listening bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now, he got an interest in reading because of his grandpa. Now, he not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. Now, he was interested in reading as well as he started writing. He got an interest in writing stories also. Let us read an essay written by Mani. Here, one essay is given written by Mani. Who was Mani? Mani was a village boy studying in village school. First, he can't read and write. Who helped him to read and write? His grandfather noticed it is very difficult for him to read and write. So, grandfather helped him. How did grandpa help him? He started reading bedtime stories for him. So, Mani got a real interest in reading and little by little he started writing also. Here we can read the essay written by Mani. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are unique to people. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby, while other hobbies are swimming, collecting stamps, playing video games and many more. This is a essay written by Mani. About hobby, he wrote the essay. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. What is meant by spare time? Spare means free time. Hobbies are the activity. What is meant by hobby? That the first line. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our free time. Hobbies are unique to people. What is meant by unique? Unique means uncommon or distinctive. It is distinctive to people. Some like gardening. What are the different kinds of hobbies? Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby. What is your hobby? Can you say? Here in lesson it is given some like gardening, planting trees. A few like photography, some of you like photography. Many have book reading and their hobbies. Some of you have the reading books hobby. While other hobbies are, some other hobbies can you say? Swimming, collecting stamps. Collecting stamps means philately. The scientific study of collecting stamps is called philately. Collecting stamps, playing video games and many more. How many of you have hobbies? What is a hobby? Hobby is an activity done in our spare time. It give us interest. Okay, what are the different types of hobbies? Gardening, photography, then swimming, collecting stamps, playing video games and so on. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time but also to do something useful. Not only for passing our free time we are following hobby. It also helps us to do something useful. People have hobbies not only to pass their time free but also to do something useful. Here not only, it will be followed by but also. Hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a day of tiring work and to energize their body and mind. How hobbies help us? Whenever we are free, we are pursuing our hobby. Hobbies help people to learn new things. We are learning new things and we are relaxing ourselves. Relax after a day of tiring work. We are bored of or tired of our work. After our work, we can relaxing through our hobby and energize their body and mind. Hobbies energize. Energize means give energy to our body and mind. Same is the case with me. Mani is saying, that is also same for me. I love writing. So it is my hobby. What is Mani's hobby? Writing. He love writing. So it is my hobby. Okay. Here one quotation is there. It is by Warren Buffett. Whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. What are the things you like to do? Some of you like to draw. Some of you like to watch video games. Some of you like swimming. Some of you like to play cricket. Some of you like reading or writing. Whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. So quotes by Warren Buffett. Okay. Come to next part. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Here, according to Mani is saying, writing is a unique means distinctive because most people don't want to exhaust means tired themselves in the spare time. They don't want to spare out. While we are writing, we are not tired. Many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. Some of you are thinking writing is very tough, but according to Mani, it is not so tough. I feel writing is like a painting our voice. Mani is saying while writing we are painting our voice. What are the things we want to tell that we are writing? So Mani compared writing to painting our voice. Okay. When I get free time, I pick up a pen and notebook and start painting my ideas in words. See how beautiful is Mani's words. He is saying painting our voice. Writing is equal to painting our. It is type of painting because we are expressing our feeling. I write stories, poems sometimes about my feelings. He is saying when I get free time, when Mani get free time, he picks up a pen and notebook and start painting the ideas in words. What are the ideas in his mind? He is expressing that. I write stories sometimes. He writes stories, sometimes poems, sometimes about my feelings. What are the things he feels that he expressed through his writing? My mind relaxes when I pour my thoughts as words. When I am pouring, when I am expressing my thoughts into words, I get relaxed. So writing energizes me. So Mani is saying writing give me some more energy. You can also do something. What are the things today happen? You can write in the diary. And sometimes you get some worries. That also you can write in a paper and read. Sometimes you got some relaxation or some you are very happy, that also you can write in a paper and read. That likewise you can start your writing. Okay, come to next paragraph. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly and bird can talk. Writing helps me to completely immerse myself into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. See, writing increase your imagination. Mani is saying, when I write things, my imagination is at its best. I will get best imagination. I imagine a world with magic and magicians. See, when Mani started writing, he was imaginating. What he is imaginating? Imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly. There is a special world around him where he can fly and bird can talk in there. He can talk with birds. It is a imaginative world, not this real world. From our imagination, from our thinking, we can make a world. That only Mani is talking about. That world, he can see the magic and magicians. He can fly. He can talk with birds. Okay, that is imaginative world. Writing helps me completely immerse myself into that world. Writing make me entirely immersed in that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. Sometimes he is sitting with the small children of the village and he share his stories. What are the things he wrote? He tell that stories to the children. The happiness of their faces make me to write more and better. While Mani was watching the boys, the children, their faces, the happiness of their faces makes him to write more and better. Okay, seeing the happy faces of the children, Mani tried to write more and better. Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. Hobby is not only spare time activity, it is very unique. It is very useful. Here Mani is saying, although writing is just a hobby for me, first I started writing as a hobby, but it is beneficial, very useful for me. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It gives me a broader mind. It increases my imagination. I can think beyond the limit. It makes me more passionate. What is meant by passionate? Intense, heartfelt about my life. It makes me passionate. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of life. It makes Mani learn new things. By reading, he learn new things and enjoy every moment, each and every moment of life I enjoyed. Another quote also here. Writing is easy. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. Mark Twain. He's a famous writer. Writing is easy. All you have to do is cross out the wrong words. Okay. Here one information for you. The former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C.N. Annadurai, had the hobbies of reading and writing. He wrote many books, stories, plays, thought-provoking articles and cine dialogues which have contributed to reformation of society as we know it today. Okay, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. C.N. Annadurai, had the hobbies of he had the hobbies of reading and writing. He wrote many books, stories, plays means drama, nadagam, thought-provoking articles and cine. He wrote a lot of cine dialogues also, which have contributed to reformation, which reform the society. Okay. Come to next paragraph. Mani's hobby. We can go to Mani's hobby. My hobby. What is Mani's hobby? Writing. My hobby helped me in school too. If you started writing, which will help you in school also. While your teacher asks you to write an essay, imaginatively, creatively you can write. Likewise, Mani also enjoyed in school. My hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. First he started writing. He cannot express his ideas exactly. Accurately means exactly. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas and this made me good writer. First he couldn't write it exactly, but with time he got more experience, he thinks lot and he got new ideas and this made him a good writer. Now I look out of things which I was not able to see before. Now I am searching for the new things. I want to write about new things. Hence I can describe things better in my stories. I can write good in my stories, better in my stories. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is my hobby. What is Mani's hobby? Writing. So he can write English essays and stories very easily. To become a better writer, I spent time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. To become a good writer, he wanted to become a good writer. So he spent time on learning. He learned how to write different forms of fiction. Fiction means imaginative writing and non-fiction means essay. Scientific essays. So the fiction, novel, like that. Fiction and non-fiction he wanted to write. So he spent time to learn how to write different forms like fiction and non-fiction. Are you clear? It is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. If you choose a hobby, you want to learn more and improve your hobbies. Who knows, one day I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. Mani is thinking, one day, who knows, I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. Yes, very good imagination. You know who is R.K. Narayan? He is a famous Indian writer in English. His Malgudi days is very famous. The Malgudi is an imaginative village. Okay, are you clear? Whose story we learn? Mani. What is his hobby? Writing. First starting, he can't read or write. Who helped him to read and write? His grandpa. Okay, come to glossary. What is meant by unique? Unique is an adjective meaning distinctive or uncommon. Exhaust, it is a verb, tire out. Energizes, verb, give energy. Passionate, adjective. Intense or heartfelt. Accurately, adverb, exactly. Fiction, noun, imaginative writing. Spare, adjective. Spare means extra. Okay. Some comprehensive questions are given below. Read and understand. First one, A. Say true or false. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. Is it true? Is it true or false? Yes, false. What is Mani's hobby? His hobby is writing. Hobbies are unique to people. Is it true? Yes, true. Third one, people have hobbies only to pass time. False, because not only for pastime, it is unique and useful for people. Okay, B. Choose the correct answer. Mani imagine a world with dash. Music and musicians, building and sculptures, magic and magicians. What is the answer? C option is the correct. Magic and magicians. Second one, when Mani started writing things, he was unable to dash. Describe them accurately, describe them fluently, describe them imaginatively. What is the correct answer? A option is the correct answer. Describe them accurately. Third one, Mani feels writing is like dash. Painting the voice, engraving the voice, designing the voice. What is the correct answer? A option. Painting the voice. Okay, children, you should go through, read thrice, then go through the glossary and write down this A and B. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.